In the last 5 years, Cobot has sold over 40,000 robots, connecting over 200,000 users in over 100 countries. Now, we want to achieve our dream to universalize industrial-grade robots just like Apple did with personal computers in the 1980s. Introducing Cobot MG400, a desktop collaborative robot, affordable, accessible, safe, and extendable. Costing just 1/3 of a typical industrial robot, the MG400 seeks to democratize access to robotic applications for small and large businesses alike. It can automate manufacturing processes like loading and unloading, dispensing, inspection, and fulfill repetitive tasks at laboratories, even serve up ice cream from a food truck. The MG400 practices simplicity, taking up a footprint smaller than a piece of A4 paper. The MGM400 can blend into any work environment. It offers 3 ways to program: teach and playback, graphical programming, and Lua script, helping users with different levels of programming experience handle applications of various complexities. Teaching the MG400 to move is as easy as moving your own hand. Adopting a dynamic gravity compensation algorithm, first-time users can effortlessly and precisely move the robot wherever they like and set up a task in minutes. The MG400 is designed to work alongside people. With state-of-the-art collision detection technology, it will stop immediately when it touches an obstacle. The MG400 delivers industrial-grade precision and speed. A repeatability of 0.05 millimeters comes within the thickness of a single human hair. Featuring a maximum payload of 750 grams and a 440 millimeter reach, the MG400 can handle most day-to-day desktop applications. With TrueMotion, our self-developed speed planning and dynamic control algorithm, the MG400 produces accurate trajectory at stable speeds, excelling in tasks like dispensing. And the MG400 is highly extendable by both software and hardware. With the help of grippers and a vision system, users can create an endless variety of applications. We are committed to providing people with innovative solutions to boost productivity and stay ahead in rising competition. Cobot MG400 is the pioneer of desktop robots, substantially improving accessibility and affordability. Join us now and bring more possibilities to life.